is the Be Love Network T20 series presented by Bank Al Falah. It is Afghanistan hosting Pakistan here in the UAE, live from the Sharjah Cricket Stadium, a venue that has hosted so many incredible games of cricket for so many years now. More T20 internationals, more one-day internationals than any other venue.
News from the centre, Pakistan captain Shadab Khan has won the toss and decided to bat first.
And not surprisingly either, when you look at these two sides, plenty of familiar faces, some new faces which we'll talk about throughout the night, and plenty in that Afghanistan side as well. Rashid Khan leading the Afghanistan side, Shadab Khan leading Pakistan in this three-match series. It's the Be Love Network T20 series presented by Bank Al Falah. Good over so far. Well, it goes this time. There is protection out at square leg, but I don't think he'll catch it. It's the bigger boundary, but ends the over with a fourth. Oh, short side, and that is the first six in international cricket, the first of many perhaps.
It was a quiet over for the Pakistani batters, but this last delivery changed everything.
They swing this time, but onto the middle of the bat of Mohammad Harris. That will feel better as he whips that away through mid-wicket for four. Gives himself room and carves it away, but he won't get it far enough. Should be taken, it is taken. Azmatullah with a very good catch running back, and Fazl Haq Farooqi has made the first breakthrough for Afghanistan.
Yeah, the left-arm fast bowler Farooqi got penalised for bringing the ball back into the right-handed batsman Harris, but realised the better option is to move the ball away. This time around, shorten the length ever so slightly and move the ball away. Hence, slice the ball into the air, Mohammad Harris, and it was a very well-judged catch to get rid of Mohammad Harris, who's walking back. After contributing 6 from 11 deliveries, it's 17 for 1.
A lovely pull shot, short side again. That is lovely control from Saimood. That's close, very close. I don't think he's hit it. I don't think he's hit it, and it's hitting the top of the stumps for mine. Umpire concurs.
Now once again playing from the crease, Abdullah Shafiq. There was no intent whether to go on the front foot or play off the back foot. He has referred it.
Pitching offside, impact in line, umpire call. Bismillah, stay with your original decision. You are on the screen now.
Good start for both umpires. That is a very good decision. Pakistan will keep that review because it was clipping the top of the stumps, but Abdullah Shafiq goes for his third duck in a row in T20s. You've got to go back to 2020 for the other two, but it's 22 for 2.
What an amazing shot, a boundary that will give him a lot of confidence. Tayyib Tahir riding on that. Nicely picked up. There's a fielder there, but he'll clear that easily. One bounce to square leg. Once again finds the gap on the offside now. Is real good work on debut, shining and looking $1 million. Oh, he's just exposed this time. That's a shot he loves, but this time he's failed to pick it up. Right through Naveen, and Pakistan lose their third just around the verge of the end of the power play.
Well, would you believe it? There was no need for that, I don't think. I think Pakistan were just consolidating. Just looking to pick up what they can. Unfortunately, young man Saim manages to just chop that ball onto the stumps to a very delighted Naveen Haq as Sayam Ayub departs for 17, Pakistan 39 for 3.
Oh, has he got it? Yes, he has. Soft dismissal there, Tayyib Tahir. First up, captain strikes. Pakistan now staring down the barrel with 4 back in the dugout.
Well. It's Afghanistan all over Pakistan at the moment. That is a huge wicket, one feels. Tayyib, young man, looked in really good form. Unfortunately, Rashid Khan has struck with his first delivery. That's why this man is an absolute genius. As Tayyib Tahir departs for 16, Pakistan 39 for 4.
Oh, come on. This is not happening. Another soft dismissal. Too much bottom hand on that. He was trying to play it defensively, and he's just handed it over to mid-wicket.
Well. 41 for 5. Azam Khan departs for a 0. Much to the delight of the Afghanistan fans. This place is really going crazy. It was definitely the other one, probably just held a little bit. The wicket turns his wrist a little bit too soon, Azam Khan. Gulbadin does the rest, much to the joy of Mujib. Well, Azam Khan departs for a naught. Pakistan 41 for 5.
Could this be another wicket? It will be. That's a great catch in the outfield. Brilliant catch by Omar Zai, and Mujib gets another one. What a catch. What a catch from Omar Zai. Charged it to perfection, and the slide at the last moment made it prettier. And it's a huge wicket. Captain of Pakistan, Shadab Khan, is being dismissed. Tried to create a bit of room to be able to hit the ball into the gap. Wasn't able to middle it, finding the fielder and the joy, as opposed to despair. It's 60 for 6. That will be close. Yes, the umpire says that is out. Concurs with the bowler's appeal. Will they go for a review? Yeah, will Pakistan? Yes, the review's been taken.
Pitching in line, in fact outside off. Wicket missing. Fakti. You can change your decision.
What a good review to take for Pakistan at a very crucial juncture. Now with the naked eye, it looked out. That's in the air, taken. Another soft dismissal. This time around, it's Naeem Ashraf. Big wicket, big wicket. And just as I read the bowling card before the start of this over, I said Mohammad Nabi is the only bowler who hasn't picked up a wicket so far. He comes up with one. Just stopping a little, talking up a little more than what Ashraf was expecting it to. And it's a dolly of a catch for Rashid Khan. He takes it with glee, and why not? Another wicket goes down. 65 for 7, Pakistan. The innings is tottering. And Ashraf, he's gone for 2. 65 for 7.
Played slightly there. This is Terry. I think he's hit his own stumps here. Has Naseem Shah. And that will go down to Mohammad Nabi. And it is out, hit wicket.
Well, a bit of a gift, that, really. I don't think he can quite believe what's happened. Well, they are very much happy to see the back of him. I think Nabi firing it in because he knew Naseem Shah was looking only one thing. And there you go. Swings himself off his feet and knocks the bells down in the process. As Pakistan lose their 8th wicket, Naseem Shah departs for 2. As Pakistan are 71 for 8.
Not easy for Zaman. Oh, who said? Straight down the ground for 6. Saves Pakistan's worst ever score in T20 cricket.
Well, it was in the slot, and Zaman has obliged. Thank you very much. We'll have 6 of those. Rashid Khan does, however, this could be the end of Imad Wasim, and it's not! Would you believe it? Young Farooqi has dropped an absolute sitter.
Oh my word. My word, Fazilhaq Farooqi just wants a hole in the ground at the moment. Good wrong and floated a bit higher. Imad took the bait. Bowled in. It's been a brilliant over from Farooqi, and he's picked up the last chance perhaps that Pakistan had of posting some sort of total.
Yeah, Farooqi very pleased with himself. He knew he messed up by dropping that catch in that last over. He knew it was Imad Wasim, the dangerous Imad Wasim. Well, he has sent him back to the pavilion. Very, very good bowling there by Farooqi. Picks up his 2nd wicket. Wasim departs for 18, and Pakistan 80 for 9.
Oh, how's that missed? They'll go again. One out chance at the bowlers. Oh, my goodness. They don't want to get these 2 out. They do not want to get them out at the moment.
Have a look here. I think, yeah, the batsman is home.
Batsman well inside the crease.
Another single for Pakistan.
Well inside the crease.
So
it's not out.
I believe it's the final.
Yeah, I make my decision.
Delivery.
It's not out.
The decision being not out. So 1 ball left in the Pakistan innings. 91 runs, and young Ihsan Ullah is on strike.
Last ball goes through to the keeper, and another chance for a run out. Do they want it this time or not? Oh, I think he's all right. I think he might have been safe again, has he or not? Decided to run it in this time, did Farooqi. Didn't want to throw it. Listen into the 3rd umpire again.
Oh, this will be interesting. Had the option to throw it, decided to carry the ball, and would you believe it?
It's well inside the crease.
Picks up yet another
I make
single,
my decision,
Pakistan,
it's not out.
as they finish the innings on 92 for the loss of 9 wickets at the end of 20 overs.
So the situation for Afghanistan to beat Pakistan for the first time in a T20 international. They need 93 runs off 20 overs. 4.65 is the required rate. It may not be easy, so stay with us. Be back with their chase after a short break.